All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I've actually got a new dash cam in. I have a dual setup in my Durango, and I'm probably going to go ahead and put this one in the Scat Pack wide body because what's not to like about having a dual camera setup. So this is the brand right here. Shout out to them for sending this over. This is full HD. This is the kind with the mirror across the entire thing can be viewed, and this is a touch screen as well. So this is really sweet. You can see the options here. It's got the soft light full screen display. It says it's a 9.66 inches, so it's a full. You can see here. It's got a rain and fog glare, a double lens before and after, 24-hour parking monitor, obviously 1080p. Double night vision, 2.5D curved glass, and it has a pull-in adjustable lens, and we'll check that out. Let's see here. Here's the actual dash cam right here, and you can see the lens slides out like that. So we'll go ahead and take this off the camera lens right away, because sometimes we always forget to remove those. If I can get it. There it is. So that is the camera itself right there, where it can pull out like that. And obviously you got your speaker back here, some branding, and this might be a power button. Let me see. Yeah, it's probably gonna be the power button. And then you've got a GPS icon right here. You've got your aux in, which is probably gonna be for the other camera, more than likely. I'll get that out of here in just a second. You've got your power there and your SD card right there. And this is how you're gonna latch it onto the mirror, your current mirror. So this is gonna be pretty sweet. We shall see how that works. We can peel this off in a second. So let's get into the box here. And here's the other camera here. So this is how the other camera mounts up. Let's go ahead and peel this off. It's got the double-edged 3M right there. And the camera itself is just this portion right here where it mounts up. It plugs in through this audio portion right here. This is where the other camera is going to go. So you'll need to run all these cords to the back of your car, and you'll be able to have your second camera. These are the little rubber things that go around the top portion to help keep the mirror stacked on. So you'll need to put these like this, and then it goes around your current mirror like that, and it'll help hold it on to the mirror so it doesn't come off. And so the mirror, your other mirror will be sitting in there like that. So it's pretty cool. Really cool. It's really nice. All right, so then obviously you have your power cable to give it some power. I already have my cables ran for this car, so I don't need to run new cables for that. I'll just need to run it to the back of the car, and that'll be it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up, man, and we'll go check the quality. You know, it's probably gonna be decent, man. These dash cams are good, man. You know, they dash cams like this. If you go this route, you got to expect that you're not going to get like this top-notch, super quality footage. This is pretty much for your protection and protection of others. You know, keep it safe, keep you guys safe on the road, and just have that peace of mind for people who tailgate or hit you, or some people get in front of you and I guess they brake check you, and because they want to do whatever. But this is a nice camera setup, looks like, as far as quality and build quality goes. But we'll hook it up in the car and we'll see how it goes. So keep watching. All right, guys. So I ran all the wires and everything. It's all hooked up. And yeah, it wasn't a tough job because I've already I had to run new wires for this one because the cable that I had in there didn't fit. It wasn't universal like most of my cameras. Let's peel this off here. Beauty of pulling off screen guard. But this is pretty much a very clear glass. It's just like a regular glass for your car, the mirror. But the best part about this thing is it's got a rear view camera. So on the bottom here, this button, which I thought was power, is actually to turn the camera on. So you can see now the front camera is on, and I've got all my settings and everything here. And I can actually go into settings. Let's stop the video. I can go into settings and you say, this is how the settings actually look. Very simple. This is a big screen too. Remember, this is 9.66 inches. So you have all your functionality here. Now, the camera is actually on this side right here. So this setup is probably not made, because my car, I got it in the wide body Challenger. So I have this big sensors and stuff in here. So it's not really made for a car like mine. So I had to extend it over a little bit, but I can't really tell. But if I come from this side, I can kind of see, you can see how it sits on there. I don't have it even because I had to move it out as far as I could so the camera would actually pick up the front. But this is the front camera in 1080p. If you swipe, I've got my rear camera hooked up too. So the rear camera is actually pretty clear, man, for what it is. It's a little grainy because it's going through the tint in the back window. But overall, this is pretty solid quality. So that's how you swipe. That's how you get between the two cameras. You swipe on the screen and it switches between the front and the rear. Now that is boss right there. So let me show you where I have the camera positioned in the back. I have it in the center of my window back there. So there's the camera right there. So you can get a good look at it. That's it right there. I hid all the wires, so it's good to go. So that's the installation, folks. I'll give you a follow-up video on a test drive as far as what I think about clarity and stuff like that. This is a really cool setup. I'll bring you more videos like this if I can. But again, this is just the unboxing and installation. Look for more footage in a test video later on. It's your man Jay, and I'm out.